Here's the 1224 westbound GO train on track 1. I believe this is CN 554 waiting in the yard. The other power was probably going to rescue CN 385 or 331. The two heavy trains that struggle to get up the Dundas subdivision. Or sometimes what happens is they have to go help CN 581. CN 581 is a heavy train of liquid gasoline and, well, liquid asphalt, gasoline, and petroleum products. And the train is heavy. And they've had some trouble with the GP40s not loading properly, and it's caused some backlog issues on the Hagersville subdivision. Or maybe the two GP9s are leaving Oakville for Hamilton. And in return, two GMD1s could be coming to Oakville. No double header on this guy. $371. Yeah, 12 cars. Yeah, these MP40s and MP54 AC units should be 6 axles, not 4 for shunting service, 609. Because all you're doing is you're burning out the traction motors. That's all you're doing. You're causing the traction motors to burn out. Yep, that's all you're doing. Those locomotives are not designed for 4 axles. No, they were designed for 6. Same with the P42 and the F40. They were designed for 6 axles, not 4. Which is why Metro Railroad in Chicago is doing the right thing by running ST70 Mack locomotives that have been converted to passenger commuter service.